What's going on, guys? Today, I'm going to show you 3 amazing tips to incorporate the next time you hit a boxing gym. You guys ready? Welcome to the ReggieBFitness. Like that? Yeah? Good. Damn! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. Today, I'm here at the boxing gym and I'm going to show all you people that's been asking, emailing, and DMing me some great boxing tips for beginners. A lot of people, when they jump straight into the gym, they think they're supposed to automatically be a pro. No. You need to know the movement first before you actually start getting into the ring, sparring with people. You don't just go in there and just start throwing. You have to really know the footwork, head movement, and the way you turn to your punches. So today, I'm going to show you 3 great tips to incorporate the next time you go to a boxing gym. Tip number 1. Before you even start to try to hit the heavy bag, you want to visualize your opponent. A typical person when they go on the heavy bag, right? They're throwing wild. But technically, you see how low I was throwing. If this was boxing, I'm hitting them low. If I'm hitting here, I'm usually punching them in the throat. So for the most part, you want to hit in this little area right here. So that's visualizing this is a face. So when I'm jabbing, and then when I cross, same thing. I'm visualizing here, and if I want to hit a body shot, you see how I round that up. That's how you attack a heavy bag. You don't just throw to throw. You throw for a meaning. So if I'm throwing for a face shot, I visualize this is where the face is. If I'm going for the body, visualize where the body is, and you turn and hook into those shots. Tip number 2. Always keep your hands up when you're throwing and after you throw. For example, a lot of guys when they're throwing, they usually put their hands down before they throw the shot. So if I'm here, they usually do this. You see how I went down? I'm leaving too much opening for the person to counter. So you always want to keep, if I'm going to turn and I'm going to hook, I'm here and I turn. See how there's not too much time in between with my hands down. Also, another thing, people usually drop their hands after they make contact. That's another mistake. You always want to keep your hands up. Because just in case, after you contact, again, you want to anticipate a counter. So you always want to move and keep your hands up. For example, a typical person when they're throwing a jab, right? If they don't know no better, they're throwing and they're going down. So I've seen this time and time again. As simple as this sounds, this is a big problem for a lot of people that are starting out boxing, and even when people that are kind of used to boxing. They keep their hands down a little too much. So if I'm here, I'm moving around, I'm going here. You see how I jab and my hands went down? You have so much time in between. So me doing this, the person can jab, they can hook, they can overhand right, they can do whatever. So if I'm jabbing, I'm here. It's like a rubber band. Come strip back. Bam, bam, bam. There's no time in between when my hands are actually down. Tip number 3. Footwork. A lot of guys, when they're hitting the bag, they stay in one spot and they're just moving. They're just hitting. Again, remember I told you, visualize. You want to anticipate punches. You want to visualize the person throwing. So as the bag moves, when I'm punching, for example, if I'm here and I do this, right? It's coming straight at me. Am I going to stay in the same spot and just keep punching? No, you want to move. So if I'm here, see, I'm moving. You want to move around always. Also, people that it's a little too hard to move and punch at the same exact time, just take a whole round, 3 minutes straight. Don't throw one single punch. Just let the bag move, and you just circle it, move around it. Get comfortable with moving around. Get comfortable with your footwork, because footwork is very important when you're doing boxing. Because if you can't move, the person's constantly going to attack you. For beginners, move the bag. move. See how I'm moving? Then you move the other way. Move around the bag. You always want to circle. In boxing, you never want to go strictly straight back because the person can charge you down like a bull. Exactly what Pacquiao is great at doing. If you're moving completely back, he's able to just attack and charge you down. So circling and using your footwork is very important. Alright guys, there you have it. The next time you go to a boxing gym, throw these tips and tricks inside, and I can guarantee you, little by little, your footwork's gonna get better, your head movement, your coordination from throwing and moving at the same exact time is gonna get a lot better. Practice makes perfect. Also guys, look out for my boxing series every Saturday where I'm giving you tips and tricks, whether I'm sparring, whether I'm showing you how to move, with jump rope, whatever the case may be. Every Saturday I'll be uploading a boxing tip video. Also guys, hit that notification button so you know my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can come back. If you do that, I'll be real proud of you. Metamorphosis complete.